Hi, I'm Dr. Jonathan Wilhelm with Pro Chiropractic, and I want to talk to you today about the Graston Technique. Now, hopefully you clicked on this video because you've heard about the Graston Technique and the wonderful things that it can do. We're going to just give a general overview on the Graston Technique instruments today. So let's take a look. Graston Technique is also known as Instrument-Assisted Soft Tissue Mobilization. And there are 6 instruments that we use in the Graston Technique to help deliver you relief and recovery. Now, each of the instruments has a treatment edge. Now, this edge isn't sharp. There's no way that it's going to cut you, but it is designed to catch any restrictions in the muscles, really more than that, in the fascia, in the layers inside your body. This instrument here is probably the one I use most commonly, and it has a convex treatment edge. You'll see that this instrument is very similar, but it has more of a concave treatment surface. So whereas we're going to cover a broader area with this one might be a little more focused because of the edge, and that's how they're uniquely designed. If we go over to this side, you can see that there's more differentiation in the treatment edges. This one actually has a single bevel and a double bevel. What that means to you is one feels a little smoother and one is a little more aggressive. This instrument is perfect for treating in and around an elbow, for instance, for tennis elbow symptoms, and also in the lower leg, in around the ankle and the calf. This instrument is one of my favorite if I have to get a focused kind of treatment. I like to call this one the pencil because it can work almost like a pencil, working very specific into an area. This one especially I like to use for carpal tunnel treatment, where we're working both the outlet and the inlet of the carpal tunnel area. Another more focused treatment with, again, 2 treatment surfaces is the GT6. Okay? This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 treatment areas. Again, very specific and a little more broad, and this one really excels at working at hand, finger, and thumb problems, and also in and around the foot and ankle. Last of all is the GT1, which we also nickname as the Handlebars. If I want to treat a broader surface area in and around the quad, the hamstring, or some spinal areas, this is the perfect kind of tool to be able to address a broader treatment area with longer, more broad strokes, and you can also get more focused with this instrument as well. Now, of course, none of these instruments are used against bare, dry skin. There's also an emollient that Graston developed that helps to reduce the friction of your skin surface. It's very slippery, and it's made to not absorb into the skin, to stay on the treatment area, and to provide a reduction in friction. I always joke with my patients that we're not trying to start a fire by scraping these instruments over you. And you can see a demonstration of this again just by clicking on the link and looking at some of the other patients that we've treated. But today, just an overview of the Graston Technique instruments. Thank you for logging on to our video, and if you'd like to experience the Graston Technique, visit our website at prochiromt.com and book with us. We were the first office in the whole state of Montana to be advanced certified by Graston Technique and have more experience than anyone helping patients of all kinds with this treatment.